What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a rainy day today, but I got a quick little mod for you guys. Nothing that has to do with performance or anything like that, just a little cosmetic mod. So as you guys see right here, we are now brand ambassadors for Cold Air Inductions, and they sent me this license plate cover, so we're going to be putting that on the front of our truck here. So shout out to Sarchone Chevrolet in Randolph, Ohio. You guys sold me this truck. #1 dealership for Silverados. I recommend you guys go there if you are looking to buy a Chevy truck or any Chevy as well. They also sell multiple other vehicles there, but we're going to be changing this out. We've had this on here for 3 years, ever since we got the truck. We're going to be exchanging this inner inlay for the Cold Air Inductions inlay that Cold Air Induction sent me. So thank you, shout out to those guys. If you guys see this video, please send me another magnet. I chose to put the magnet you guys sent me right here in front of the Z71 on the truck, but I need another one to match the other side because we don't have one over here. So if you guys see this video, please send me some more swag. Please send me another magnet so that I can put another magnet on the other side to match. We are going to be putting the Cold Air Inductions front license plate inlay on the front of the truck here. In the state of Ohio, we no longer have to have a front license plate, so we are allowed to change all of this stuff out or completely take it off. I'm going to be putting in the Cold Air Inductions intake inlay in there right now, so we got 2 screws to take off, and then we'll be able to set our new one up. Real quick here, shout out to these guys again. You guys know I made a few previous videos of the Cold Air Inductions intake itself. Again, I have absolutely no issues with this thing. I absolutely love it. You guys know this huge filter that's in here is humongous, and it's still absolutely pretty clean in there as well for it being 2.5 years old. But I have no complaints with this thing. This thing was absolutely easy to install. It has held up great. It still looks great. After 2.5 years, 3 years, the paint has held up beautifully. I have not had to touch this thing since the day I installed it. Haven't changed the filter yet. You guys see how clean that filter still is. Haven't had any issues with it coming apart. Installation was easy and a breeze. Nothing has come apart on me, no hoses, no nothing. Haven't had to tighten anything back up. So this is high grade, good material here, and you love seeing that when you spend your money on a product because you want it to do what it says it will do and hold up. So this thing is absolutely doing what it is supposed to do and performing beautifully. If you guys are looking for a Cold Air Inductions intake, go on their website. It's linked in my description in the video. So let's now get to installing our Cold Air Inductions inlay for our front license plate. All right, and just like that, we have our Cold Air Inductions front license plate inlay inside there, looking good. So looks good. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you very much. Again, check out the links in the description and check out coldairinductions.com if you guys are looking for a cold air intake for your Chevy Silverado or a different type of vehicle. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.